Welcome. Today we are looking at KCSE CRE Paper 1, Year 2018. Question 1a. Outline 7 teachings about human beings from the biblical creation account. B. Give 7 similarities between traditional African view of evil and the biblical concept of sins. 1c. State 6 ways in which Christians in Kenya help to restore a member who has fallen into sin. Question 2a. Give 5 reasons why the Israelites broke the covenant they had made with God while at Mount Sinai. Is found in Exodus chapter 32 from verse 1 to 35. 2b. Identify 8 conditions that God gave to the Israelites during the renewal of Sinai covenant. Is found in Exodus chapter 34 from verse 1 to 35. 2c. State the importance of the 10 Commandments to Christians. Question 3a. Identify 7 characteristics of the Canaanite religion. 3b. State the challenges faced by Elijah during his prophetic ministry in Israel. 3c. Give 7 ways in which Christians fight corruption in Kenya today. Question 4a. Explain the vision of the basket of summer fruits shown to Prophet Amos by God as found in Amos chapter 8 from verse 1 to 3. B. Outline the teaching of Prophet Amos on the day of the Lord. 4c. State 7 ways in which Christians help the church leaders to perform their duties effectively. Question 5a. State the evils condemned by Prophet Jeremiah during the temple sermon. 5b. Explain 4 symbolic acts related to hope and restoration as demonstrated by Prophet Jeremiah. 5c. Give 6 lessons Christians learn from Prophet Jeremiah's temple sermon. Question 6a. Outline 6 roles of priests in traditional African communities. 6b. Explain the importance of kinship ties in traditional African communities. 6c. Identify factors that have affected the kinship ties in traditional African societies. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Answers. 1a. The teachings about human beings from the biblical creation accounts. Human beings are created in the image of God. Human beings are co-creators with God. Human beings have breath of life from God. They have authority over God's creation. That is, they are superior to the rest of the creation. Human beings have ability to think. Human beings are social beings. They have a duty to take care of God's creation. Human beings are to use the other creation for their benefits. They are blessed by God. Man and woman are equal before God. Human beings are to procreate through marriage. They have been created to fellowship with God. The woman was created out of the man's rib. 1b. Similarities between traditional African view of evil and biblical concept of sin. In both cases, God did not create evil. In both, sin or evil is considered to interfere with the smooth running of the community. It is intended by God. In both, sin or evil leads to alienation of human beings from God. Both sin or evil arises from human beings' disobedience. Both sin or evil causes a lot of suffering to human beings. In both, sin or evil may cause in both, sin or evil may result from failing in social obligations. In both, human beings have the ability to overcome evil by choosing good. In both, God is the guardian of morality. In both, sin or evil destroys the relationship among human beings. In both, sin or evil leads to punishment from God. In both, it can lead to destruction of God's creation through natural calamities. In both cases, sin or evil leads to death. In both cases, there is remedy for sin or evil. 1C. Ways in which Christians in Kenya help to restore a member who has fallen into sin. By praying for the member, through providing guidance and counseling, visiting the member, doing a follow-up after preaching to the member, inviting the member to come to church, forgiving her or him, teaching him the Word of God, rendering support to him, providing material support by encouraging him or her to confess their sins. Question 2a.